morning, good morning. You're lining with the White Trini. This morning is a big morning. It's the morning of the Fete. So we're gonna get some cutters going. We got some gizzards that we're gonna make that we seasoned up last night. So let's get to it. All right, guys, we got our pot hot here. We added some coconut oil. Check it out, guys. That's the gizzards all seasoned up. I was gonna do Jira, but I'm gonna end up doing curry. So here's our gizzards all seasoned up. We have our seasonings here. We have pimento peppers, carapule leaves, some onions, some masala, and some turmeric. I'm gonna add our methi into the pot. All right, now I'm gonna drop our onions in and pimentos. Nice. Smelling good already. Let this okay up some. And we're gonna add our turmeric and curry just now. Wow, I didn't know these pimentos smell hot. They're smelling like real pepper. Let this saute down a little bit more. And we'll add our curries. Water. Let that cook up some. Create a nice paste. A little bit more water. Nice. Let's get a good paste form here, guys, and we can drop our gizzards in. All right, this is looking great, and we're gonna drop our gizzards in. Stir this up. Look at that. Here's one up. Guys, this is smelling amazing. Look at this. This is gonna last. This looks beautiful. Look at all that color. All that seasoning. Wow. So now I'm gonna let this spring its own water. We're gonna let it just create its own water here, and then I'm gonna cover it up, and then we'll add some warm water later. I came out to do a quick car wash, but I wanna give a special shout out to one of my subscribers in Canada, Indra Rangu from Vancouver. Thanks for all the support. We're back to the gizzards. They've sprung plenty of water now, so we're just gonna let this boil down, and then I'll show you guys the final results once we get it all boiled down and cooked up. All right, our gizzards are done. Check it out. All set. I won't taste it just now, guys. We'll taste it with the whole crew when we get together. All right, catch you in a bit. All right, guys, we're here at my boy's house before the Fete. We're gonna taste the gizzards. Let's check it out.
Good job. Very tasty, spicy. Hit right on the spot.
White Trini is Russian. It's good though. Is it hot?
Cheers, guys. Very flavorful. Nice touch with the bread toasted. Real nice. Nice pre-Fete food.
Very good. Whoever did it, I know who did it. Good job.
Raymond Ramnarayan Ravi B. Cheers.
All right, cheers. On to the Fete. All right, guys, we reached. It's time to line.
Well, we just learned that the fete is going to be indoors, not outdoors. But luckily, we're going to have drinks outside. It's a fantastic day. It's sunny, it's warm, it's nice, and we're going to have a great time.
And we have drinks inside and outside.
He's lucky he don't hit by lightning. That's
Yes.
why they took him inside.
Exactly.
All right, guys, this is my bro, my brother from another mother, the birthday boy himself, Rajesh.
Happy birthday to me. I feel happy today. I'm young as I feel 25 years today, not 50. Hey, hum yahan tumhare intezar hai.
So we come to Joy's. Hi, we're with Auntie Sheila from Joy's, hanging out.
Happy birthday to you.
They have to come.
No more done. Okay.
They coming, you know? They coming, yeah, they coming. All right, guys, we have some Palori here.
Yeah.
Check it out.
I think I'll walk on the back.
You won't get out.
You think so? That camera there. So watch the camera. What time we were there about
Yeah, but 15
Very
minutes
nice.
ago.
Very fluffy.
Yeah, but
Your knees on point. Hey guys, I'm gonna try the wonton.
that's good you get it.
I don't eat soy. So this black duck sauce and soy.
Wow. We need some pepper. So wontons are nice, light, flaky,
Good job.
very nice. And the sauce is a nice, like little ketchup kind of,
Warm.
maybe a little pepper sauce. So I need more pepper. Good. Got some fried rice here. Check it out. Johnny, want rice? We have some Chinese style chicken. Check it out. Want me to just condense this in? Good? You want to take the chicken too? Alright guys, we're gonna do some lo mein now. That's it. There's some Chinese style sauce for our chicken. Pepper sauce here. Alright. Try it out, guys. Wow. The rice, very soft, very tasty. Lots of flavor in here. Let's try out the noodles. The noodles are on point. Very moist, very tasty, very tasty. Let's try out our chicken here. Oh yeah. Chicken is nice, soft, a lot of flavor and stuff with the Chinese sauce. Real nice. Now you're gonna wash it down with a carrot. Alright guys, we just finished eating at Joy's in Lauderhill. The food was lashing. Make sure you check them out.
We want to introduce on stage the king of chutney, soca, Ravi B and Nisha B to Lord Karma.
Tampa, with the Miami Posse, Trinidad and Tobago, Guyana. I don't care where I'm from. Put your hands in the air. Everybody say, What's up? Yahoo. So why you leave? Yeah, why you leave? Yeah, tell me the reason why you leave. Love you. Listen. Just think away.
We just got home from the Fete. It's like 2 a.m. in the morning. It was a great time, great party. Had a good time with the boys and the girls. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share. We'll catch you guys next time.